Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Raj. He was known for his kindness and willingness to help others. One sunny morning, as Raj was walking through the village, he came across a wounded bird with a broken wing. Feeling sorry for the bird, Raj gently picked it up and cradled it in his hands. He knew he had to help the poor creature, so he decided to take it home and nurse it back to health. Raj carefully crafted a small nest for the bird and fed it every day, ensuring it received the love and care it needed. Days turned into weeks, and the bird gradually regained its strength. Raj's compassion and dedication had worked wonders. One day, the bird flapped its wings and took off into the sky, leaving Raj with a heart full of joy. Raj was thrilled to witness the bird's freedom, but he also felt a pang of sadness, realizing he would miss his feathery friend. Little did Raj know that the bird had something planned as a token of gratitude. A few days later, as Raj was playing in the fields, he noticed a shiny object on the ground. It was a small golden ring, adorned with intricate designs. Raj couldn't believe his luck. Excitedly, Raj took the ring to the village jeweler, who confirmed its extraordinary value. The jeweler told Raj that the ring was enchanted and possessed magical powers. He advised Raj to keep it safe and use it wisely. With the newfound wealth, Raj could have easily lived a life of luxury. However, he remembered the lessons he learned from helping the bird. Instead of keeping the ring for himself, Raj decided to use it to benefit the entire village. He built a school for the children, a hospital for the sick, and a shelter for the homeless. Raj's selflessness and generosity touched the hearts of everyone in the village. They celebrated his noble deeds and hailed him as a true hero. The moral of the story is that kindness and compassion always bring their own rewards. When we selflessly help others, we create a ripple effect of goodness that spreads far and wide, ultimately enriching our own lives.